Okay, I'm going to do an updated video on my Commodore 64 setup. Of course, this is in the basement of the house. It actually works out good because it takes up a lot of room. Basically, it is two tables side by side, and a bunch of crap on the floor and in the other room and on other shelves. But anyways, I use Commodore monitors. This is a 1701. Down here I have two other monitors down here for backup. On this shelf is an accelerator Excelsior drive. I don't know. I don't remember what it's called. I paid too much for it, and it's never worked right. I've even had it repaired. People claim these are the best drives ever for the Commodore. I don't believe it. My favorite drive is the 1541-2. So that's the drive I use to test all my stuff. And you ask, why is the lid off? It's because I test so many discs. I get a lot of discs and I test them. Here's a couple containers of discs. The read head is right here. It gets really dirty and dusty. So Q-tips, rubbing alcohol, they need to get cleaned an awful lot when you're testing so many discs like me. Next, some cartridges I use frequently, some fast load cartridges, super snapshot, fast load with a reset switch. This is an easy flash cartridge. You can't see, and I put it in a case. I use that a lot, the easy flash. And then a memory expander here, a couple joysticks. I like the slick sticks a lot. Up here we have a disc notcher, a drill for taking screws out of the hard drives. Here we have a UIEC. Basically, you put your SD card in here, and you plug this in the back of your Commodore, and you can load games off your SD card. It's pretty handy. Disc, blank disc, other discs, cartridges. Here's a folder I got in full of discs. This back here, I'm not sure if those work. Got containers just full of copy programs. This is my favorite box of discs. It's full of parameters: Maverick, Clone, Machine Copy 2, Fast Hack 'em, Cracker Jacks. This is just Dissector. More parameters. It's my box of copy related items, cables, and also on the side over here I have an old PC set up. Here's a plug for here's a plug for the 64 preservation project. So over here I have a Zoom floppy which connects a Commodore hard drive to your PC through a USB port. So if I get a disc that's not imaged yet, I'll make an image here in this setup and upload it to the preservation project. I have a bunch of lights for taking photos, and then SX64 is right here. I don't really use this much, but I just turn it on to show you. It's pretty cool. Anybody know how heavy this is? And I also use this area. You see all these lights for taking photos. Over here I have about 4 more disk drives. I have super card up here in this one. I got more boxes of stuff to test. Commodore C over here. Sound chip's bad in that one. So this is my current setup. If you have questions, just post in the comments. More boxes of Commodore 64s, Commodore parts, 128, box of Commodore parts, Legos, box of cables, stacks of disk drives. Well, okay, so I'm not super organized, but that's just some of my Commodore 64 items. Thanks for watching. I'll post a link to my Commodore blog in the description, so check that out. If you have any questions, just let me know. And thanks for watching.